love sucks.
Dude, why the fuck are you always so just like...
Because I'm here and I still don't get
I just want to hit you in the face and then cut off your testicles and feed them to Josh.
Dude, why are you guys freaking tripping, dude? Oh my god, there was some hot beezies back there and I just want to fuck.
Really?
So bad.
Good for you, dude. Did you get their numbers? I can go talk to them for you. You want me to?
Do it, dude.
Dude! Like,
it's like
if you find a girl, and then I find a girl, and Chaz finds a girl, we could like just trade them up. Like, okay, I go, then you
just
go.
Just hit them out, it's like bullet train that shit, like boom.
Bullet train. It's like...
Hey, fuck this! Alright? We came here on my money!
Travis, dude, what's up? Why don't you just take the chill pill, alright?
Dude, he's right. No! If we spend all night, we're not gonna be able to get home.
But guys, you don't So, I just want to like...
Don't be fun.
Kind of slow.
Just want to like bind
There's so much to talk
and just like grab her by the hips and just be like...
Travis.
Just like, you know what I mean? Just like, we just got a pawn smash and like, I feel like jackrabbit smash. Like Bugs Bunny on the moon.
Oh, I'm so with you on that.
Just like, you know, it's just like, it's awesome. It's, you know what? It's okay. If it doesn't happen, if it happens, it happens. If not, it's cool. You know what I mean?
Billy, you have the ideas of a king.
I should have the ideas of a king. But you don't understand. Like, sometimes though, it's just like, I feel like shit. Like, I feel like you guys don't appreciate me. Like, when you say stuff like that, like, I don't even know if you're being serious or not. You know? It's like, what's
Dude, we do appreciate it, and we're so glad that you could come with us. I mean, seriously, I'm tripping out.
But like, you know,
it's awesome.
See, there's another thing. You can be very facetious right now. You know what that means? I mean, like, it's hard being the smart one. I feel like
I know what it means.
know
That word means.
Why all of a sudden like bring you up to my level, y'all like way down here, and then like y'all get me, and then like when I do like try to like say something like I think like y'all are just making fun of me behind my back.
Oh, you think you're misunderstood? You know how many times I hear you guys joking about girls and it just doesn't cut it for me? Every time with a chick, I just don't feel it, and I want to be with you guys like all the time.
Cut.